This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Veronica Garcia. This newly built move-in ready home has many great features ready for your family to enjoy. Has amazing natural light and new fixtures that will leave you amazed. Has new security cameras installed and prewired ready for your providers just to hook up. Home is located on a corner lot close to school and your necessities. Book a showing today to see this fabulous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Garcia at 903-893-5188.